Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to guide you about Councill Craftsman. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. One of the newer firms that we endorse on our vintage furniture guides is Councill Craftsman. However, just because they've only been around for a short time doesn't mean they don't deserve to be included among our outstanding vintage furniture listings. Councill Craftsman has a long history of producing excellent traditional furniture, dating back to 1973. History of Councill Craftsman furniture. Councill Craftsman is still created in quality workshops in Grand Rapids, Michigan, under the Kindle Furniture brand together with Carges. However, the company began in another southern furniture city, Denton, North Carolina. Craftsman sideboard by Councill. Fred and Hope Councill founded Councill Craftsman in 1973, with the goal of producing high-quality, handcrafted furniture. Councill Craftsman, like Biggs Furniture, used nearly solely Honduran mahogany as a product base. Hundreds of employees were engaged to create the cases for the company's dresses, sideboards and tables. Then they chose lovely veneers to finish their sculptures. Finally, multiple coats of polish enhanced the natural beauty of their premium woods. Craftsman sideboard by Councill. Of course, the beautiful traditional Councill Craftsman furniture speaks for itself. Craftsmanship is a hallmark of Councill craftsmanship. Councill Craftsman fine furniture. Councill Craftsman items, like any quality handcrafted furniture, necessitate a lengthy process and a great deal of experience. People typically apprentice for many years in these manufacturing environments, learning the joining, sanding and finishing methods that go into producing this exquisite furniture. Furniture manufacturing is a science and an art, needing a steady hand, a keen eye and a great deal of patience. Accent table by Councill Craftsman. As a result, Councill Craftsman may appear to be more expensive than comparable brands now available. Case parts with inlay and banding typically cost in the thousands of dollars. Fine furniture, on the other hand, is valued for its beauty and superb craftsmanship. Councill Craftsman furniture does fortunately find its way to the resale market here on our vintage furniture guide pages and elsewhere on the internet. Purchasing a great piece of old Councill Craftsman furniture does not necessitate mortgaging your home or selling your firstborn child. Councill furniture from the past. Today, gently used vintage Councill Craftsman sideboards, dining tables and even Councill Craftsman bedroom furniture may be found for a fraction of the cost of new. Furniture made by Councill Craftsman. The majority of high-end antique dealers know where to find wonderful high-quality furniture. They then incur the cost of transporting and, in many cases, polishing and restoring this antique furniture to its former grandeur. Finally, they go to considerable lengths to describe and advertise their products for sale on online antique stores. To really capture the true state of each artwork, several people take up to 20 shots. Furniture designs by Councill. The majority of Councill Craftsman furniture designs are inspired by classic styles. Of course, no matter the style, this level of skill tends to generate wonderful items. The majority of Councill's superb masterpieces, however, are Sheraton, Hepplewhite or Chippendale in style. In other words, the majority of the designs are appropriate for Federal or Georgian architecture. Craftsman dining table by Councill. Pedestal bases and exquisite banding are common features of Councill Craftsman dining tables. For example, tables with queen and legs appear in a few of Councill's antique catalogues. However, they appear to be the most basic colonial style tables. Craftsman dining table by Councill. In fact, most of this great company's dining room furniture has elaborate inlay. Councill Craftsman sideboard is likely to have bellefleur and dart motifs reminiscent of neoclassical design. Artisan dining table by Councill. Similarly, Councill's bedroom furniture might be plain or extravagant. On the drawers of a Councill Craftsman nightstand set, you'll often find exquisite brass swan neck hardware. The graceful Councill Craftsman dresses with their excellent proportions and finely carved bracket or ogee feet are just as attractive. Craftsman bedroom furniture by Councill. Councill Craftsman furniture, with its emphasis on historical tradition, may be found in well-appointed houses all across the country. Value of Councill Craftsman furniture. For collectors of excellent furniture, Councill Craftsman is a top choice. As a result, even on the used furniture market, it tends to be quite expensive. A decent Councill dining chair should cost roughly $200. While dining tables are more prone to wear and tear, a gently used Councill Craftsman dining table should cost between $1,200 and $2,000. A carved Councill poster bed on the other hand will most likely cost between $800 and $4,000, depending on the size, with queen and king size beds being the most coveted. Buying second-hand Councill furniture. It's difficult to repair a damaged finish on Councill furniture, because of the delicate veneer work and high gloss luster. So if you want to get the greatest deal, look for severe scratches, or blushing on the finish's top layer. Of course, with a little time and perseverance, you might be able to disguise these imperfections by applying a thick coat of wax to your Councill dining table or sideboard. Purchasing Councill furniture over the internet. Of course, when purchasing for Councill furniture online, you must exercise caution. It is critical to recognize the Councill Craftsman furniture. Look for the brass tags and if possible look through historical catalogs to ensure that the piece is genuine Craftsman furniture. Many reputable suppliers have years of experience in the industry. They understand that it takes a lot to make you feel comfortable buying lightly used furniture online. As a result, many people are willing to assist you by giving additional images prior to your purchase. Of course, you already know that buying old Councill Craftsman furniture will get you a terrific deal. Many have worked with qualified shippers who can deliver directly to your door. Today is the best time to take advantage of the excellent discounts on magnificent Councill Craftsman heirloom furniture. You'll be amazed at how it changes the look of your home. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.